Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, June 6th. I was looking for follow through to the upside on Friday. I thought we'd have numbers that the market would support. We did not. We had employment that was soft, employment numbers that were soft. It'll be interesting to see what Yellen says on Monday. I don't expect anything new, but it does say that they're probably going to defer a rate change, and we can see the market's attitude towards that right now. The important thing is this break to the downside. They're buying it. I am looking for follow through, but I wouldn't expect it on Monday unless Yellen comes out with something that changes the attitude of the market, which I highly doubt. But when it comes to these currencies, look at the dollar. What you're seeing here is the euro in terms of trading, but I say look at the dollar, which means this market moving up means the dollar is getting weaker. It got hammered across the board if the idea of a rate change has been taken off the table, and that is what the market's anticipating. Now, the British pound traded above its bullish level, and the difference between the bearish level here and the bullish level, to give you an idea of that magnitude change, is $718.75 a contract. To give you that point of view, I look for a sideways move on Monday for the British pound. In the interest rate markets, with the stock market acting as it did, the 10-year notes that you're looking at right here, it makes a lot of sense. The right kind of behavior. So to me, I think the markets are balanced in the regard that we're seeing sectors moving appropriately. So the 10-year notes, this makes sense. I do not look for follow through on Monday, but a relatively quiet day, a rest day for that market. And gold, it needed an excuse. You and I have been talking about that. I didn't think that excuse would come on Friday, but it did. And this market really took off, as you can see here. Nice strong move. I don't look for it to pull back much on Monday, but I'm not looking for dramatic new highs either. Now silver, this market traded above its bullish level. The difference between the bearish and bullish level in the silver market, magnitude-wise, is $400 a contract. And again, I'm looking for unchanged to slightly higher in that market as well. Crude oil. This thing should have been off to the races. It was not. So I'm looking for a sideways move in crude on Monday. And when it comes to soybeans, well, we made new highs, but it's troublesome the way we did it, and I'm looking for this market to back off a bit. I think it may have gotten ahead of itself. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I'm looking forward to being with you again next week. In the meantime, have a wonderful vacation, weekend. I'm just talking to somebody about a vacation, but anyways, have a wonderful weekend, and I'm looking forward to being with you again. In the meantime, take care.